switching from iPhone to Android, and need your iCloud contacts or calendars. This video shows 3 simple ways to transfer iCloud data to Android. Part 1. Transfer contacts or calendars from iCloud to Android via iCloud to Android transfer. Overview of iCloud to Android transfer. Step 1. Establish connection. Start by downloading, installing, and launching the software on your computer. On the main interface, select Phone Backup. Then, connect your Android device to the computer using a USB cable. Once connected, click Restore in the center of the screen. Step 2. Sign in on the next screen. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup from the left-hand menu. If your iCloud account has two-factor authentication enabled, a verification code will be sent to your Apple device. Retrieve this code and enter it on the prompted screen, then click Verify. Step 3. Download Backup. The tool will display a list of all available backup files. Select the one you want and click Download to save it to your preferred folder on the computer. Step 4. Transfer contacts, calendars, and more. The program will show all data types contained in the downloaded iCloud backup. Click on a specific category to preview its contents. From there, you can choose the data you wish to transfer and click Restore to device. Part 2. Transfer iCloud contacts to Android phone via iCloud Web. User Guide. Step 1. Export contacts from iCloud. Open iCloud.com and sign in. Select Contacts and choose Contacts to transfer. Click Export the card to save the VECF file. Step 2. Import iCloud contacts to Google Contacts. Open Google Contacts and sign in. Select Import the card. Upload the VECF file and wait for completion. Step 3. Sync contacts to your Android phone. Open Settings Accounts. Select your Google account. Turn on Contact Sync. Check your Contacts app. Part 3. Sync contacts from iCloud to Android with SyncCloud for iContacts. Step 1. Install SyncCloud. Install and open the app. Allow permissions. Step 2. Add iCloud account. Sign in with iCloud. Complete verification. Step 3. Sync contacts. Select iCloud account and enable sync. Choose sync mode and wait. Check contacts on Android. Step 4. Adjust settings. Set sync frequency. Enable background sync if needed.